Cathie Wood just sold $12 million worth of shares in Coinbase at a time when the stock is probably at its most bullish. Well, sort of. Today, Coinbase was downgraded, this time by Atlantic Equities, citing weak volume. They also received a downgrade from Oppenheimer. Sentiment has improved, fundamentals have not. And then there was a third downgrade by Piper Sandler. Too much regulatory uncertainty to predict future revenue. However, she sold probably again at the most bullish time for Coinbase. This article is coming from CoinDesk. Cathie Wood's Ark sells 12 million Coinbase shares as coin nears yearly highs. Okay, that might be a signal. And this is the first time in a year that she's selling any of her Coinbase bag. But again, Coinbase is probably at its most bullishness going into mid-July. Why? Because every entity that wants to have a Bitcoin spot ETF is using Coinbase as a surveillance sharing partner. Now, another reason why she probably sold was a rebalancing of her entire Ark umbrella, as Coinbase represented 6.2% of the weight of Ark. Another reason why she's probably taken some off the bag is because she's the one that she's the buyer that kept Coinbase in this daily bias level before it shot higher. So, she's up roughly almost 80% on this recent most bag, which was, I believe, $22 million. But according to the weekly chart, we're not even near any liquidity or any levels where there are sellers waiting. That next level is going to be at the 120 level, which is the monthly sellers level. Also, price just is breaking out of this range. So the only reason why she could have sold is to rebalance her portfolio. And this is a chart showing times where Cathie bought. So you can see she kind of bought some at the highs right after the IPO. As price came down, she started to dollar cost average. Looks like she had some FOMO and then realized, or fat finger, and then got back up to the 7 million shares level. She didn't buy any in the fall, and then when Jim Cramer called the bottom in Bitcoin, she started buying more. So she's just taking off some off the table. Again, she still has 12 million shares, right? So going back to the weekly chart, you can see this huge inverted head and shoulders here, shoulder, head, shoulder. Cathie, who was a part of the buyers who defended the $50 level, where price tested the zone multiple times. And now we're getting a breakout, right, on the bullishness that everyone's going to Coinbase for, or to partner for their Bitcoin ETF. Let's just go down to the daily chart. So, yeah, we have a breakout. Typically, when you have a breakout, you have a retest of that breakout. And I like this level here. And we're going to call that a daily bias level. We'll say 78. So price retest, opportunity to go long. Again, target is 120, where I anticipate a pullback before potentially going higher. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please like the video.